This compact DAddario RVCASE04 reed Vitalizer case keeps clarinet and saxophone reeds at a stable humidity, so they feel consistently ready to play from day to day. An internal grooved tray holds up to 8 reeds of any standard clarinet or saxophone size securely in place, which greatly cuts down on warping during storage and travel. The airtight seal does an excellent job of protecting reeds from sudden changes in temperature and moisture, making it especially useful for marching band, pit work, or touring. Because the included humidity pack automatically regulates moisture without daily fussing, the case offers a genuinely low-maintenance way to keep reeds from drying out or growing mold. The slim, sturdy design fits easily into most instrument cases or backpacks, yet feels solid enough to inspire confidence when you toss it in a gig bag. Backed by DAddario's long experience in woodwind accessories, this case pairs well with a wide range of reeds and has become a practical upgrade for players who are tired of short reed life.